Summer's over and school's back in session. While you gear up for football and pumpkin spice lattes, let's take a look back at what went down in August with your Month in a Minute. Former Patriot Ty Law was inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame, and the Pats reached a 2-year extension with Tom Brady. The Red Sox season went from bad to worse as they were swept by the Yankees and went on an 8-game losing streak. The Patriots went to Motor City for joint practices with the Lions. Chris Sale became the fastest player to reach 2K Ks, only to be shut down for the season 3 days later. The Pats then hit up Music City for joint practices with the Titans. Josh Gordon was conditionally reinstated by the NFL. The 18th annual Jimmy Fund Radio Telethon brought in over $3.5 million to benefit Dana-Farber. Fans flooded Fenway for a total of 12 minutes as the Sox pulled out a walk-off win in a continuation game against the Royals. The Patriots got bad news when center David Andrews was hospitalized with blood clots in his lungs. The team wrapped up their preseason against the Giants, and that's your Month in a Minute for August.